Hello guys. Welcome to Wow Hotel Reviews. Today I am reviewing Motel 6 Gulfport, Mississippi Airport. It's a 2-star hotel. Please use our booking.com link in description to book the hotel and get good pricing. Located off Interstate 10, the Island View Casino is located 10 minutes drive from the hotel. Features include laundry facilities and an outdoor swimming pool. Free Wi-Fi is also provided. Cable TV and a work desk are provided in each room at the Gulfport Inn. Each simply decorated room is equipped with a private bathroom. A sun terrace by the pool and fax and photocopying services are available to the guests of the Gulfport Inn. Air conditioning is found throughout the hotel. Keesler Air Force Base is 25 minutes drive from the hotel. The prime outlets at Gulfport is less than 5 minutes drive away. Use our link in description to get special discount on this hotel. Don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel.